Hi everyone, my name is Lauren and today I got some new products for you. So I just want to jump right into things, but before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment on this video because you know I like that. But anyways, let's just get started. So this is my hair, freshly washed, okay? I don't know what is in this stuff, but I like it. So I use the lusterspink moisturizing shampoo, and I'm not gonna lie, moisturizing, that's a good word for this. Like, I was like, whoa, whose hair is this? Mine? That's crazy. And for conditioner, I used, don't judge me, I used the co-wash. I used the lusterspink co-wash cleansing conditioner, and the conditioner was really good. I kind of like to use a co-wash just because, like, I just like to make sure my hair is clean. The shampoo, I like to focus that on my roots just because there's a lot of buildup there. But if I want to remove product, then a co-wash, I just enjoy using a co-wash on the rest of the shaft and the ends of my hair just because it's not as harsh as a shampoo, but it still gets it really clean, and then I can detangle as well. So now what am I doing? I always lose the train of thought every time I start talking. Like, it's like I will have a whole video planned out, and then the second the camera's on, lights, out of my brain. I'm gonna be doing a wash and go using the lusterspink super moisturizing curl definer. I'm excited to try these products because when I was younger, pink was like the only thing that my mom ever put in my hair. She did not put nothing else. And it was just like this lotion that they made too. Like, they didn't have like all these different products. In addition to the shampoo, conditioner, and the curl defining cream that I'm using, I also received the curl popping gel, edge control, and a leave-in conditioner, which I will be using in another video, maybe the next one, I don't know. This is a good day. You know what I'm saying? A good wash day is a good day. All right, so look at that. Like, oh, this is gonna be great. I love this. I'm excited about something. All right, so this is what my curls are looking like. They just gotta dry, and I'll be back in about a day or two to show you guys the final results. Guys, like, too impressed. So this is like day 4, I want to say, and my hair it's a little frizzy, but usually by now, like, my hair looks a little funky, you know. These curls still look fresh and they still look moisturized. These products all cost like less than $10. Less than $10. You know, we we love affordable products that work. Like, we love affordable products that work. And for this product, it's an 11-ounce jar, not our typical 8 ounces. So, you know, the more the merrier. You know what I'm saying? My hair, it was very defined, it was very shiny, and it was very moisturized. And you know, that's the trifecta right there, like, you know. But yeah, overall I give these 3 products like a 10 out of 10. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share this video to your friends, and return. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.